This one is a 1940 Royal KMM. KMM stands for the magic margin, which is these two levers here. I'll show you how to use those real quick. Show you how to use all the functions on this. So the margins are behind this little flip top, and you can move them with your fingers, or you can move them with this magic margin. And what that does is it'll put it wherever you are on the platen, and you can play with it, as you can see. And where you want it, you just flip that back and it'll stop. So we'll mess with those. Same with on the right side, has the same thing. You can play with that wherever you want it, just like that. And then when you push it back when you're done, put on a piece of paper here. To feed it, this lever right here has to be back. It feeds it normally when it's back, but if it's forward, it loosens the rollers underneath the platen, and it won't feed if it's forward. So just have that back, feed the paper, and let's set the margins. Right now the margin is too far, so we want to move it right there. And we want this one, we can leave that one right there. But if you want to move it farther, then you just hit this, and it'll move that. This is your line space. It'll space it one space and bring it back to the beginning of the margin. You could change it to double space or triple space. Right now we want it on single. As you can see, all the keys work perfectly and none of them stick. Do a sentence. Everything works great. Let's try the other functions. Backspace works great. Margin release, get to the end of the margin and you hit the margin release and you can get past the margin if you want to keep typing past it. The tab is set right there. Let's clear that tab. Clear that tab. So now it has no tabs, so let's set a tab right here. Just press that in to set it, and it'll stop at that tab. And then to clear it, you hit this one, and now you have no tabs. You look inside, the spools are located in here, and the direction is dictated by this. So right now it's pulling to the right because all the ribbon's on the left. So when you type, you can see it pulling to that side. And if you want it to pull to the left, you just flip that to that side. Now it's pulling to this side. So let's switch it back there. And I believe that is it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Look for Brooksaw Antiques. Thanks for watching.